Okay, I'll try to run through this real quick, just to be quick. On the NW Vault channel, if you go in here, you'll see NWN Explorer. Um, go down, download it if you don't have it. That'll allow you to use the Internet Explorer program here, which when you bring that up, what that'll do is if you go to you make sure it's connected to your folder, which you do that through binary, but setting up. But anyhow, go to 2da's game data, and then you have all the different 2da's in the game. You can display them. As you can see, they all have different varying amounts of information on the 2da depending on what they're referencing to. The appearance 2da has it to where, like, the creatures, they say a creature, a bat for example, it's up here, and then the model, and then it has tons of different categories here. Same with, say, class 2da. If we was to go to where is it? I think I passed it up right there. Class 2da. Now you can't make changes in here, but you can export them. So if I hit export and say I'm going to put it in I go to, say, desktop, and then I've got a 2da folder on my desktop, and I'm just going to name it classes. I've already done it, but I'll do it again. Save. So it's on there. So minimize this. If I open here, click on this, you're opening it up with Notepad. That's what you want to open it up with. Now you can make changes to it. So I can make it 12 of 10, make it back to 12. Then you just go up and save it. And other than that, to know some of the differences of what some of the things are here, if you go to, oh my bad, you go to open up our Discord channel. If you go to 2da's, click on 2da's channel or talk file. There's a talk file deals with, like, the interface, the front, what you see when you're creating your character, that information. While the talk to is dealing with the interface, so say the name of the characters and stuff that's displaying on the UI. The 2da's is the what's going on in the background. So let's say, for example, you want to look at the appearance 2da. Bring it up, and that'll explain all the different categories in the appearance 2da and what they're basically represent or doing. Now it's just a matter of finding, same way to say the class 2da, which was found, or can be found, where is the class 2da? Right there. Click on it, and it'll have the same difference. But if you want to make changes to any of it, you can, and then just going in the game and seeing what those changes actually did. But there's more websites to deal with to explain all of it and go into a little bit more depth. If you need any help, I'm willing to help. I haven't messed with the 2da's a whole lot. I've just tinkered with them, but they're not. It doesn't take coding. It's just a matter of learning what each 2da actually does, or what it represents, and what can be changed on it, and where do you go about changing it to make it the changes for the game. So it's just opening these files in Notepad and making text changes. It's the biggest thing is just learning what each 2da does and how to go about changing it. Once you got that down, it's a piece of cake. All right, that's it. Hopefully this will help you get started. Thanks.